Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate bark for cake decorating. First, select a good quality chocolate, as this significantly impacts the final taste and appearance. You can use dark, milk, or white chocolate. Gently melt your chosen chocolate using a double boiler or by microwaving in short intervals. Remember to stir it often to achieve a smooth, consistent texture, preventing it from burning. Tempering is a crucial step for professional-looking chocolate bark, giving it a beautiful shine and a crisp snap. For dark chocolate, melt it to about 115 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cool it down to around 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, gently reheat the chocolate to a working temperature of 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This process stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, it's time to create the bark. Pour the melted chocolate onto a sheet of parchment paper and spread it thinly and evenly, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch thick. Work quickly to add your favorite toppings, such as chopped nuts, dried fruits, or colorful sprinkles. Gently press these decorations into the warm chocolate to ensure they adhere well before it sets. After decorating, let your chocolate bark cool completely. You can leave it at room temperature, or for faster setting, place it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Once fully hardened, remove the bark from the parchment paper. Now comes the fun part. Break it into unique, irregular pieces. These beautiful shards are perfect for garnishing cakes or enjoying as a standalone treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.